Ako si Seleton, ginagampanan ko ang role ni Debbie. Isa siyang single mom at kasama ko sa journey na to ang aking anak na si Ellen, who plays Diana, and she's 7 years old. Through Facebook. In the casting calls or audition notices page. Actually, it's such a good site for me to get a lot of projects because you just get to meet all these people na talagang gusto lang gumawa ng pelikula for the sake of telling a really good story. I mean, it's filmmaking, you know, and you find your own means para magawa ang mga gusto mong gawin, yung mga dreams mo, especially when it comes to film. You know what? I'm an excellent company. Really amazing company. From sila Tita Perla Bautista, John Mapa, Mercedes Cabral, and even with sila Direk, Kalajak, to be honest, nung audition pa lang, madaling maging comfortable around them. So it was one of those magic moments ba na parang nagsisync lang talaga lahat ng mga tao. So ang kagandahan din yung kwento ng pelikula tungkol nga sa iba't ibang tao, di ba? And what I like most about it is that it makes you think na we all get so immersed in our own worlds, our own problems, na everybody else is living life. Everybody has a set of their own problems, inspirations. So the next time hopefully you go around, kahit ba may tao lang nadadaan sa tabi mo, isipin mo na lang may buhay din siya. Sana po magustuhan nyo ang Limang Gipang Tao. This is a labor of love and really kwentong Pinoy. Ang dami pong magpipick up dito for all ages. That's such a commercial plug.